So try to understand how the cooking will be done. First of all, I take, suppose if I want to eat by soaking of them pulses, otherwise food grains. Simply I will soak them for some time. After that, the water will be removed, and I will wait for the sprouting of the food grains or pulses. Sprouting means మొలకెత్తటం. Okay, so I will consume them. So if I consume the sprouting pulses, otherwise food grains, what happened? Try to understand that. So they have so much of energy, and one is that our body will be habitual to eat that food which is having energy. So normally whenever we cook any food, what happens? Some nutrients, they will be evaporated. So means the whatever the nutrients they have, really by cooking we will lose somewhat nutrients by evaporating. Means somewhat what happen? Some vitamins are there, water soluble vitamins are there. Okay, so they will be evaporated. So whenever you eat sprouted food grains, otherwise pulses, so you will get direct energy into your body. Second one is that, so if you want to cook yourself but you don't want to consume directly sprouted food, so you want to cook them, so no issue, cook. I will explain how to cook. So take from the food grains little bit of jowar. Little bit means this much of jowar, and this much of bajra. Jowar two types, bajra, this much of little millets, all the millets. Okay, little millet, finger millet, all that millets. So I have nine food grains. So whenever I take this much, and pulses, all the pulses, rajma little bit, chana little bit, chole chana, big chana little bit, that is red gram, kandulu little bit, all with that is flake mean cover. Okay, raw, they are called raw pulses. Next, small amounts, if I take all chana, rajma, chole chana, big chana, that is red gram, black gram, green gram, all. So then what happened? You, this much of pulses and food grains you will get. So now you all keep them in a bowl and soak them, okay, for half an hour, 40 minutes before cooking. So then what happened? After 40 minutes, remove the water and wash 3 or 4 times. Okay, so after that, now these food grains and pulses, almost 250 gram, 200 gram may be there. Okay, now pour the water of enough water. You mix the water. Then తెలుగులో అంటాం ఎసురు పెట్టుకోవడం అంటే now we want to cook that pulses, combination of pulses and food grains with water. Okay, so sufficient water you add that. Otherwise, if you will not add sufficient water, what happen? They will get dried while you are cooking. Okay, so sufficient water we need to keep. Then after, I will not mix any salt and oil. I will not give any oil and salt. Just I will mix only the red chilli powder. Red chilli means mirchi powder, and turmeric powder. Turmeric means pasupu. Okay, if you want to add onion, it is your choice. One onion cut into pieces and added with them. Okay, now no salt I have added and no oil I have added. Why? Because oil I want to reduce. Why? Because already you are so fatty, you are looking fatty. So if I consume oils, already the body will get more fat. So I want to reduce my weight. So my point is what? How to reduce your weight. Okay, how to maintain your body weight, how to maintain your body mass index. That is very important. Body mass index, as I told you, that body mass index, it is a measurement. By that we can find that how much we are so fatty. The simple calculation for body mass index is, take your height by, sorry, weight by weight. Suppose weight in kgs, suppose I have 65 kg, 65 by height in meter square. Okay, my height is 165 centimeter. If it is converted into meters, 1.65 meters. So 1.65 into 1.65 meter. So weight in kg by meter square height. So my height 1.65 meter into 1.65. Weight 65. So then whatever the value, mostly I will get 24. Border. Now after retirement from the army, 30 years I spent in the army, I am maintaining this much of weight and weight 65. I reduced my weight to 70 to 65 kgs by consuming of this diet. Okay. Now my BMI calculated as 24. I am in the borderline. Borderline means if 18 to 24 is the BMI, body mass index, you are in safe zone. If 20 more than 24 up to 29 like that, you are in overweight. Okay, after 29 30 you are over the 29 of BMI levels, body mass index levels, you consider yourself you are in the obesity condition. So these overweight obesity conditions not well for you. So they will give adverse effects over your body, and these are the symbols to get affected by over the diabetes, by that is what blood pressure, hypertension, whatever. Okay, if you are overweight and you won't be walk yourself, your knees will be get pain and they will be affected, and whatever that lubrication of the knees, they may be you may be loss of your lubrication in the knees, and there may be a chance of getting replacement of knees. And one more problem, you may be affected by gastritis, indigestion, because whenever you consume, that is polished rice, white polished, and you consume refined atta, refined wheat. So refined wheat, so you are not getting fiber. White rice, it is not, that fiber is being removed by polishing. So if you will not get much fiber into your body, so we need fiber, that is very important inside of the body for free motions. Early morning the body need fiber, so we will not get sufficient fiber, so the people will be affected by constipation. So as I told you that this total food items, as I briefed that we need to add only chili powder, turmeric powder, if onion to be added as per your wish, and then after this item keep on the flame, okay, for cooking. Okay, now one time you stir itself, because you have added the masalas, mirchi powder, and that is what your mirchi powder, and what is that, turmeric powder. So stir one time only with the spoon, then after keep the lid and keep on flame and keep on low position. Low position means flame is very low, keep low position. Now in between I never open the lid, I never, because if I cooking is going on, if I open the lid, the vapor, the heat vapor will be wasted. So I will keep on the flame slim and wait for 40 minutes. In the meantime, never open the lid. Okay, because once you have stir everything, mix everything, and then you keep on the flame. Okay, wait for, keep it on slim. Sufficient water we have added. There is no any problem. Okay, and try to use big vessel, big bowl. Okay, big bowl. Okay, cooking vessel. Otherwise, whenever we have added more water, what happened? That moment may be a chance of overflow. So somewhat water, whenever you have added, we need to give somewhat space within the, otherwise maybe chance of overflow of water, and within that whatever the nutrients and whatever the condiments, mirch powder and card, that is whatever turmeric powder may be overflown. So then after 40 minutes, so whenever I will get the smell of fragrance, cooking smell, that moment I will switch off. Okay, and whenever I go for meals, so 2 hours, 3 hours after cooking, I will wait for 2 or 3 hours by doing the classes and whatever. So studying whatever. Within that, again within the bowl, within that heat, again these food items will be heated more, because within the heat, same heat. Okay, because as I have cooked, I will not eat. I will wait for 2 or 3 hours. So I will let them cook more and more inside of the vessel. So then after I will try to eat them. Okay, so within that, what happens? Try to understand.